My name's Gabby, and I'm studying a Bachelor of Exercise Sports Science. Today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of psychological skills training, also known as PST. PST is referred to as the systematic and consistent practice of mental or psychological skills. Such skills can enhance performance, increase the level of enjoyment, and also achieve self-satisfaction in performing the chosen physical activity. PST is most important as it involves the ability of athletes to maintain focus, concentration, and regulate the appropriate levels of arousal, confidence, and motivation. In order to successfully perform, it is vital that athletes practice physically and mentally. This can be accomplished through the implementation of goal settings and attentional control strategies to develop a strong mental toughness. In doing so, athletes can self-regulate their own thoughts, feelings, and behaviours. In general, qualified sports psychologists usually conduct PSC programs. However, coaches and teachers can also implement these. It is ideal that the programs last for 10 to 15 minutes, 3 to 5 days a week, and continue throughout the athlete's sporting career. During the off-season is definitely the best time to implement the PSC program, as it involves 3 phases. 1. Education, 2. Acquisition, and 3. Practice. Education involves increasing the awareness of the importance of mental skills in relation to the athlete's performance. For instance, a traffic light analogy is generally used. Green refers to the athlete performing well. Yellow may refer to the athlete struggling and should remain aware of their situation. And red refers to the athlete performing poorly. As such, the acquisition phase focuses on strategies to develop psychological skills. This can be achieved through the tailoring of specific strategies at an individual level in regards to athletes' needs and abilities. And last, practice. This has 3 main objectives. These include automating skills through overlearning, systematically integrating psychological skills into performance, and stimulating skills that can be applied in a competition setting. There are 3 reasons as to why athletes may neglect PST. And this can be the result of 1. A lack of knowledge, surrounding coaches telling athletes to just concentrate or to be more confident. Prior to or during a performance, it is often hard for athletes to relax if their training completely overlooks the mental side of sport. For instance, coaches have suggested that mental training information should be more user-friendly. For example, having concrete examples of exercises to do in audio or video format, as well as involving coaches in additional educational programs to enhance their performance and knowledge surrounding the mental benefits of psychological skills training. 2. A lack of time. Suggested that coaches pay more attention to practicing physically when training and therefore convey that they run out of time to do psychological skills. However, if coaches took the time to acknowledge the majority of reasons why games are lost, many surround the athlete losing focus or are just unable to concentrate. As such, it is important that coaches and athletes prepare mentally in order to improve their focus and concentration at competition levels. And 3. Misunderstanding about psychological skills. Many believe that great athletes are just naturally born with competitive drive and mental toughness. However, this is not always the case, as elite athletes have to work hard and have to practice for hours on end to be the best they can. Therefore, psychological skills are similar to physical, as you can train yourself to develop the ability of becoming stronger. A great example is Jarryd Hayne, as he has excelled in many professional sports, from National Rugby League to National Football League in America. Therefore, regardless of his outstanding physical attributes, Jarryd also has a very strong competitive nature. As such, psychological skills training is as important, if not more important, than the physical aspects of sport. Thank you.